to archive highlights on Instagram step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be discussing on how you can archive your highlights on Instagram. So here's the thing, there's no proper way to archive your highlights. You get the option to delete, edit highlight, or convert to reel. Most people, what they do is they convert it to reel and then they have all their highlights shown in a video. But obviously then you have the delete option. You don't really have you could say archive option. But the option that I do like in this case is that you can't really archive a highlight, but the stories in that highlight are archived. So if we go in the archive section here, you can see it says stories archived. It's going to open it up like this, and your stories are going to be archived, although your highlight that you've compiled won't be highlighted or archived. So all you're going to need to do is you're going to go to your stories archive and you're going to find all the stories over here, and that should pretty much be about it. So yeah, thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.